Hi, this is Lieber, and this is fireworks set off by teeth. I wouldn't recommend anybody ever do this.
You fucking hit me. You let go of it right when it goes. Oh, yeah.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
That didn't work. No, dude, I'll try it again. Hang on.
You would die in war.
I'll try it again.
You would light off a grenade and be like,
Okay, don't point that shit at me. Come on. It probably hurt his face.
Nah, I'm not even fucking risking my face to die.
Put this fucking bandana on.
fast, it won't even matter.
This has no wick.
Oh my god. Put your hands right around your face after it lights.
I can't do it.
Jesus.
No, I'm not setting that off with my face.